outfit của dân chuyên chạy bộ, nhìn pro ghê luôn.
Dân này dân chơi phong trào.
Này phong trào nhưng mà chơi lâu năm rồi. Còn outfit mình là dân mới chơi được vài phút. Bắt đầu chặn đường hết rồi. Lần đầu tiên mà anh đặt lộn Đạt dẫn anh ra đi dạy. Đạt nó chơi mình. Đầu sỏ quá. Quăng cho cái bếp không biết bao nhiêu cây mà nó dễ chạy. Thôi ráng lết về. Ta lên chỗ xuất phát hết rồi kìa.
Your minute color corresponds to the distance you have registered to compete in. All half marathon or 21K will have a red printed bib.
Quá đông luôn.
Nhạc to hơn xíu nữa nha, tay trái mọi người đâu rồi hả? Và bây giờ mấy anh cùng Mr. Dexter sẽ đến và tất cả chúng ta sẽ cùng vô thật cao tay vào cổ. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rồi xoay ngược lại. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, reverse. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, there they go. There they go. We're sending off the first wave of all.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. If you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. If you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Rise
bật cam
Gam rồi đó. Vâng, chắc chắn rồi.